course. Enjoy. You actually came back every single day.
The coffee is really good. I'm never really thin.
Yeah, here you wait to potty?
This entire video was generated using a completely free AI platform using Seedance 2.0 video model. And the craziest part? It's still in beta, so anyone can use it right now. This AI handles everything for you. Just write a simple prompt, and it turns it into a complete, professional animated video. And you can generate up to 25-minute videos using Seedance 2.0. And as you just saw, the character consistency, visuals, and the rest of the video were too good because this platform integrates with Seedance 2.0, and the result is insane. So in this video, I'll show you everything step by step. Make sure you pay very close attention. So let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. Today, I'm showing you a tool called Anijam AI, and this might be the easiest way to create viral animated content right now. Just type what you want, and it generates a full video with consistent characters automatically. No complex prompts, no editing, no experience needed. It literally works like your personal AI agent, turning your idea into a complete animated movie. What's really powerful about Anijam AI is that it supports all top AI video generators along with a bunch of other AI features in one place. And right now, it's still in beta, which means new users are getting around 1500 free credits just for signing up. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID, and it takes you straight to this page. So basically, you can start creating videos instantly without spending anything. What's even crazier is this: you can literally replicate any video style you like. You just open a video you want to copy, grab the prompt, paste it here, and Anijam AI will generate something similar for you. And because it offers multiple video types, you can build your own unique content style, whether it's storytelling, animation, or faceless videos. So I want to make video from scratch, so I'm making new project. We can simply paste here our video idea or make new project from here, then Anijam Assistant will show some video suggestions. We can choose any of them, and it will start creating similar style video. We can generate step-by-step image and videos if we want. And from this side you will get all AI features. You can generate images, videos, lip-sync videos, and lots more. It's best if you want to modify a single scene, otherwise I recommend going with Anijam Assistant. So I paste my prompt here, and it starts analyzing my prompt and making story outline. Best thing I checked in Anijam is I can make changes with simple conversation, no need of any experience. So after analyzing my video idea, it's asking me for whom I want to make this video. I'm going with all ages, platform YouTube, then aspect ratio 16:9. Then audio mode, this is the most important part of the video. If you want to make music video, go for music only. If you want to make storytelling video, go for voiceover. And if you want to make animated movie, choose dialogue mode. So I'm going with dialogue. Then select the duration. We can generate videos up to 25 minutes with Anijam AI. So for this example, I'm going for short video. Then click confirm. It starts creating story outline for each scene and my video structure. And I follow the agent in Canva, so everything generated or changes happen in Canva. Anijam agent shows me instantly, no need to find anything. So after reviewing all the scenes, I'm happy with the story outline. Then I select the style design of my animated video. So Anijam Assistant gives me some best options for my video. And I can also choose any style from the style library, where we get more than 100 animation styles. And if you don't get your style here, you can simply write the name of your style or upload a reference image. It will detect your style and generate video with the same style. So I'm going with this style. Then it shows me the visual direction of this style to better understand what kind of video will be generated after using this style. Then click on concept design, and it shows all the concepts which will be used, like the name of characters and their descriptions, objects used in this video like coffee cup and handwritten note, and location. So click on generate all concepts, and within few seconds it generates everything. As you can see, 2 characters, objects, and location are generated. So after that, it asks for storyboard plan. We can use AI director mode, which can generate complete video directly without any image or keyframe, just using concepts. Or second is workflow mode, where we can generate images, videos, and audio step by step. So I'm going with AI director mode because it will generate videos automatically, and also the video will be generated using Seedance 2.0. So after confirmation, it starts generating our video. It will generate video in 2 batches. First batch will generate 5 scene videos, then second batch will generate remaining 5 scene videos, total 10 scenes. So all 10 scenes are generated. Next step is to generate background music. So click on Generate BGM, and within few seconds it generates background music. I recommend listening, and if it matches your requirements, use it, otherwise regenerate. So now is the final step, add media in timeline. All media will be added in timeline. We can do changes if needed like split, remove, or mute music. It works like an editor. So after checking the video, it looks good. Then finally click on Advanced Export. Just change the FPS to 60, and keep the rest of the settings default. Then click Export. And here is the final result.
Thank you.
Of course, enjoy. The usual?
You remembered.
This one's on me. You actually came back every single day.
The coffee is really good. I'm in everything.
Yeah, here you wait to potty?
The coffee is really good. I think I kept coming back for more than just the coffee.
The result is outstanding. It looks like a Disney Pixar movie, not AI generated. Every scene is connected with the last one, and characters are consistent in all scenes. And even the voice is matched with every scene. Just imagine the kind of content you can make using Anijam AI. They are still in beta version and giving 1500 free credits for every new user, with some limitations. But if you want to make videos without limits, I recommend checking their subscription plans. The prices are very reasonable. I will provide the link in the description. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.